నమస్కారం ACT9 న్యూస్కు స్వాగతం. పెద్దపల్లి జిల్లా మంథని మండలం సూరయ్యపల్లిలోని మేరీ మీడియాట్రిక్స్ ఉన్నత పాఠశాలలో స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ వేడుకలు ఘనంగా నిర్వహించారు. ఈ క్రమంలో ఫాదర్ థామస్ జాతీయ జెండా ఆవిష్కరణ చేశారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా విద్యార్థులు ఆటపాటలతో పలు సాంస్కృతిక కార్యక్రమాలు చేపట్టారు. విద్యార్థులంతా కలిసి గొలుసు కట్టుగా భారతదేశం పటాన్ని ఆవిష్కరించడం చూపరులను విశేషంగా ఆకట్టుకుంది. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో పాఠశాల కరెస్పాండెంట్ మేరీ జోసెఫ్, ప్రిన్సిపల్ సునీ సెబాస్టియన్, ఉపాధ్యాయ సిబ్బంది, విద్యార్థుల తల్లిదండ్రులు తదితరులు పాల్గొన్నారు.
First and foremost, I would like to welcome our esteemed chief guest, Reverend Father Thomas, St. Joseph Church, Mandini. Your presence here today is an honor for all of us. We are grateful that you have taken the time to join us in commemorating this significant day in our nation's history. Hearty welcome, dear Father. Please come on the dais. I would like to also extend a warm welcome to our correspondent, Sister Mary Joseph. Your guidance and support is a great success for our institution. Hearty welcome, Sister Mary. Is truly a commendable. I would also like to welcome to you all the parents who have joined us today. Your presence is a testament to the strong bond between our school and community. Finally, are the future of this country. As we celebrate the Independence Day, let us remember the sacrifice made by our. Once again, I extend my heartfelt welcome to all our dear parents, students, sisters, and
celebrate this 78th Independence Day. But so many ways and so many where we are developing and new inventions are preparing and made by the people. Like your students, we are all developing and we are all investing new inventions and new thoughts. In these new thoughts, make people to think more and develop more. That's what we need. And now itself, in this age, in the school age, we need to develop our leadership qualities. That's what we need. When we develop the leadership qualities, and the leadership qualities makes always the developed country. The developed country makes each and individual will be developed. And we need to think always higher, not lower. When we think the higher thinking, then we will be able to achieve the greater goals in our life. Today is a great day because our forefathers, our leaders, they have sacrificed their own lives. They did not think about their own lives. They did not think about the selfish way, but the selfless service they have rendered to our country.